Kublai pi barwa pi apet ya kari khasi channel yung rasa pi ya katup Khubor jong kani ka Taiew ba menta in ya pasha ki mat ki bakong san klad uwe unong bala basat thombor hamaulai mauro kala ka trok ki dok kha hamauble klad arngun men saw iwe lale bun ki kam katanat election ban kring ki nong tap vote ong u CEO kapisa bakurup na aron chao kamde jong UCM ong u president NPP yo khusnam ka samla twinkly na ka reality show pat ki wegwe ki Khubor inya parliamentar si Khubor bnya uwe unong bla barjala ula khla no na ka daw ki jingmen saw ha ka baula sha bom ha ka kinhun ki runar ki bala ka dur kmat kani kala ja ha umso klur ha maulai mauro haka steps ni balang haka por kumba khatwish pawa AA
ki pulit ki lai thu ba ki lai ngot ki nong bala ki de ki bantre ha ka wai ki yeng ba dangshna ha mauro haden ki runar ki la rong bat thombot ya ki te ki lai ngot ka bala wanra ya ka khlat no uwe uteu bala khlat udeu ba sa hanom man song lai thu ka teng dau arjun rai bala sanpo arts nam urai ula man saw jur bat ula khlat no hani grims ki pulit ki la penrung apo ka muka duma bat ka jing toket ban lap ya ki badan kti kadang ya shekman
अच्छा तो आप उनका लड़का और कितने लड़के हैं
एक और भाई
और एक भाई अच्छा, ये इनकी लड़की है
उनका लड़की महीने में
यहाँ बचपन से ही है
नहीं मतलब जो मर गए गुजर गए
वो भी यहाँ पे बचपन से ही है
बचपन से ही
हाँ उनका पिताजी लोग भी यहीं पे थे
अच्छा
उनका पिताजी लोग तो पहले गाय रखते थे
अच्छा
तो गाय का बिजनेस खत्म हो गया अब उन लोग लेबर काम कर रहे हैं उनका लड़का भी लेबर काम कर रहा है
आज कितने सुबह कितने बजे निकले थे
सुबह तो यहाँ से उन लोग काम करने के लिए 8:30 में निकल गए घर में से होके निकले हम लोग यहाँ से चाय पी के
अच्छा
और हमको लगभग 12 बजे फोन आया जो निगरिम हॉस्पिटल में लेके आए हैं उनको कोई मारा है तो हम लोग यहाँ आए तब तक तो डेट था
कितना बजे का घटना है ये
हम यहाँ पहुँचे 12 बजे तब तक तो डेट हो गया था तो अब अंदाज कर लीजिए 11:30 से 12:30 का बीच 1 घंटा का अंदर में पूरा काम खत्म है
em bà nghiêm tiếp tới bà suwan bà cùng tu room puk suwan ngam itu so ngadang mud ban hian na po su snow ba su yamara abad na yu tang mud ban mi sabar mo la yo I badas daki niki langka su bom su tir
कन्नो मुड़ लावन
ban keren harai san mud na ndrungot tung tai
कन्नो बजे मिस्टर
kadwe arkosau bangak petnya kan long ngapet hampor bangak fun ngafun yu malik dengan supaya dia kafun kan dari ngaptip syu angkat na aja
Menteri rang ba ka jela ula ong bagi pulit kila penkrea bha menta knang ba ka shalong bat ki wepat ki jaka kindup shong suk shong san ban lait na ki nuki jingja ki ba pen shong sier
ya keneu la ong hadin ba weu nong bala bar jela ula khlat no hadin ba ula sha bom hakirunar ka dor khman ha maulai mauro bat arngot ki wei pat kila men saw lai thu ba ula ptha ya USP ban le ya kendu ya ki dekhat ka yeng ban ya kren halor kane knang ban yo penyai state ya ka jing toket ula ong baki officer ha ka kerdan u chief secretary u DGP bat ki wei kila lom ka jinyalang ka bakriki man pen klainya ki bor pahara balada don kam ya ki bor jinyada na ka sarkar pedeng in sapan ula ong ya menta ka ain kan sa shim la ka jong galanti bat klempep ki runar bale ya ka nega kam kin ngat bit ha ki jing pen sha pen saja ka bating
हाँ कल कोई एक हादसा हुआ और पुलिस इसमें पूरा भी इंक्वायरी कर रही है और मैं यही बताना चाहता हूँ सबको कि जो भी इसके लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल है उसको ज़रूर हम लॉ के बेसिस पर हम उनको पकड़ेंगे और जो भी एज पर लॉ होना चाहिए वो होगा और लॉ सभी के लिए बराबर है तो इसलिए इस पे कोई डाउट नहीं है कि हमारी तरफ से हम सीरियसली इस इशू को लेकर जो लोग रिस्पॉन्सिबल हैं उन लोग को हम पकड़ेंगे। मेरी कल फैमिली के मेंबर्स से बात हुई, उनके सन इन लॉ हैं मिस्टर राय, और मैंने उनको बताया कि मुझे जो खबर मिला उस खबर मिलकर मुझे काफ़ी दुख हुआ, और मैंने उनको बताया कि हम हमारी तरफ से पूरा काम करेंगे, और अगर किसी भी चीज़ की कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो मुझे डायरेक्टली कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। मैंने एसपी को भी भेजा हॉस्पिटल में ताकि कोई ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम ना हो, और जैसे मैंने कहा कि ओवरऑल हम लोग सिक्योरिटी के लिए भी डीजीपी साहब और चीफ सेक्रेटरी साहब का आज शाम कल सुबह तक मीटिंग होगा, और हम लोगों ने पूरा प्रिपरेशन किया है ताकि शिलोंग और बाकी जगहों में भी कोई लॉ एंड ऑर्डर सिचुएशन ना हो। हम पूरी फोर्सेस लगाएंगे, और जहाँ जहाँ ज़रूरत पड़े हम लोग सेंट्रल फोर्सेस भी एडिशनल फोर्सेस मंगाएंगे। इसलिए मैं सबको विश्वास दिलाना चाहता हूँ कि किसी को कोई चीज़ की डाउट नहीं होनी चाहिए, और हमारी तरफ से पूरा जो है फोर्सेस को हम लोग जितना चाहिए उतना फोर्स हम लोग डालेंगे ताकि पूरा जो लॉ एंड ऑर्डर अच्छी तरह मेंटेन हो।
Hakabaya ba kajing sha thombor kinong bala hamaulai mauro uba elhek ulo ong bakum kini ki jingja ki de ki basngosi bat ki ba omla satya ban priang haka imlang salang.
Kumu menteri ka sarkar jila ba hek ula kentu jur ya ka sarkar pan pinchitom daga bating ya kirunar ki badang ti hakum kine ki kamrunar ki bakta ya kajing im kibriu aba batai chpang we unong bala basa ha pinthor kra uba hek ula ong ba udai uba loi uba lei la ka kambala ban kamai jakpo bat bendap ya ka ying henre ula sha penyap ha kirunar ki ba don shu ka min simbriu kumta kum yakine jingja umla banyai sha kumta ka sarkar kade banle ting lada yokem ya kirunar badang ti hakne kam penyap briu.
Just about half an hour back, and I had contacted that family member. I told them now they're still in the Negrim hospital for maybe waiting for the post-mortem or other formalities to be done by the health department, by Negrim hospital. So this kind of the inhuman act, it cannot be tolerated. Like cannot be tolerated also, and it should not be. Anybody who are involved in this kind of the inhuman criminal activities, they should be punished. What is tell me? He is a laborer working in somebody's houses, making building or somebody's people's house. They are building. They are hard-working people earning their wages. How to kill this kind of innocent people? And we as a government, our police, they should take very stern action against these people who are taking the law in their hand.
We have seen that this is not the first case. Earlier also we have seen that similar case has happened where laborers were killed at Ichamati also. Don't you think that the law and order situation in the district is really a cause of concern?
See, today I read in this Shillong Time letter to editor. One gentleman had written a beautiful headlines. They are not killed, but they died by themselves. You have read this today. He has given a very right thing. By people, the government, and we, the government, we are not taken seriously to arrest the culprit. Like for he have not told for only for this is happening recently only. That is happening for long many years back. This is inhuman has become too much in the state. It's become a shame for the people of Meghalaya. I'm telling you, it's become a shame. Everybody, what happened going to Meghalaya? They get killed. Like we are a barbarian here. We are not human being. Because of 1-2 people who are all inhuman act, the blame goes to the entire states of the people of our states.
Will you write?
Meet him, I'll tell him, the Home Minister, meet him, I'll tell him. But I will write to the center, to the Honorable Union Home Minister. Why this kind of things happening in the EU? We have to do something from the central government. At least we should not allow this kind of inhuman act is happening in the state of Meghalaya.
Also agree that, with due respect, these are like racist incidents. Would you agree with that?
Hmm?
Will you agree with that? That these are racist incidents.
Which one?
These incidents which have taken place. These are racist incidents. Will you agree?
I'm telling you, there's in criminal activities, in inhuman act, there's so many cases are there. It might be because the looting. It might be. Oh, it is not happening only in Meghalaya or India. It's happening everywhere in the world. Until unless you arrest a person, maybe has to be proven first. In what reasons they have been become the victims. Now we cannot say because of races, or cannot say because of business, I cannot say because of any other thing which has not been proven. Once this proven, then we can tell.
Sir, do you feel that our law is, or our police department is very lenient, that this kind of activities is it cannot be checked?
I agree with you also. I agree with you. They has to take action immediately. Otherwise, we should not allow this kind of inhuman act been taking place time and again in the state of Meghalaya.
So are you?
I condemn this incident took place today, not just because it has happened today. Last time also I've condemned for Ishamati killing. Now also any inhuman act, I'm always condemning the inhuman act.
Kawai katrok kat sau tayar ka bekit dok ha ka badangwan na Andhra Pradesh ka badon ya u registration number AP16 TS9689 kalakala Hongpong hasurok ba maublay ka bayar na kathan light kor. Kani kala jia ka steps ni balang ka shpoterik uyayong arhajar alpusau.
Kane ka jingja kalawan ra ya ka jingklat ki basong hapo kane ka trok hakaba ka met jong ki angot ki basong lang ki la pra ling khon ling khai la ong ba ha kane ka kali ki don lai ngot ki basong unong ya ka kali uklam men sau bat ki pulit ki la ra sha hospital pan le check up bat angot ki la khlat no hashen la ban long ba ka jingkala khong pong kane ka trok kala bande na ka jingpen hairstyle palat unong ya ka kane ka trok kat hadu ba u nong ya la shu ban te la kam.
Ka United Democratic Party UDP, bat ka Hill State People's Democratic Party HSPDP, hapo ka Kshatriya jong ka Regional Democratic Alliance RDA, hagas ni baar kala pelat yakimat tre kamyalap election, lani ki election manifesto, bat kalukular ban yakren bat ka sorkar, ban pentre kamno mardor ya ka inline permit ILP, ban kentup ya ka ketien kasi bat garo hak kernet ka bapra, bat kumjuru ban pendap no mardor ya ka jingya kren penbet put bat ka jela Assam.
Ki matrikam ki ba ka ADA kala pelait menta ka sngi ki at prosan tli ki mat bala pelait da u presiden ka UDP ba med balik do da ka ba pentikna ban penklain ya ki autonomous district councils ADCs bat ban peteng ya ka jingya kren ya suk bat ka New Trap National Liberation Council HNLC.
Yeah. Long-term board di Paraliba 8 dong ka first long parliamentary seat pa ki point ki bang labu ang ni ka long ni kong ka jimpun ko board su ki district council ka bar ka jimpun ko board ki samla ka balai ka yo kam yo jam basau ka pule puthi san pada ka jingkan Taiew ya ki nongrap bat karep ka yang jongki nang ta ka jing halo ka jingru ka kap mendali ka jingkan Taiew ya tim khasi bat garo haka kemit ka bapra
nangta ki kam ki bede halor pot usam nangta kawai pat ka bade ke jing ka shong suk shong san sa kawai bede ka de ke jikin Taiew ya ki lum trairi nangta ka jing ya ki kin hon jing ada ya ki kin hon nyam ripat karoi ki kiu jong ki nyam kin rai halor ki riu slur yele lai lot kari nangta ka jing persha halor ka thombor ya ki ripat kawai bede ki kam kor barri nangta kawai bede ka long halor ki civil service kawai bede ka long ka sinshar khadar ka khod kawai bede ka India kum ka welfare state kawai bede ka hok jong pinong song snong di badan jingduna akit khotmet nangta kawai bede ka kot ka khia kawai bede ka hok halor ka khndo ka siap bat ki mar ko khndo kawai bede ka jingeda mariang kawai bede ka jing ka Taiew ya ki kinthai nangta kawai bede ka juban nagaleng kunto te kane ka long ka jing ka pat ka jongi ka minggu sepai ba
U President jong ka National People's Party NPP Meghalaya u balong ru u menteri rangba benrap jong ka jela u ba Prestun Tinsong ula ong ba ka jing persang jong ka sing Voice of the People's Party VPP ban pinthut ya ka jing yalap election jong ka NPP kalong tang ka kam kutlat
Pak Preston ula kren ya kene halor ki jingja ki baja homesning ribhoy jayau renja hasilong pat kiwe ki jaka hakaba ki nongkershan ka WPP kila lej ban pentot ya ka jan baro ki jingyalang pala pinlong da ka NPP hakeleng ki jaka ka rilom kasi jantia
lah hakini ki kandiat teli ki sngi ki lihat ka kandiat teli ki med hakini ki jingya pelong ya kene public meeting ka campaign meeting akeleng saudong jong kaneka Shillong Parliament Constituency kidon katukan ni kijing penwit kijing pentut bat kawai na kita kabanga ngadon hak dakmat ladi nengkong ngidon meeting hangtai hapo mairang bat kata ka meeting ka bingilong mairang kadai hakapor RBG hakapor ba uba patskem uba longru MDC jong ka mairang constituency kan udang kren don ki bahla laingot sangot hau pra kaba nganga i kam itana hakajing shisha pidai opera ne pidai hakakot ne pidai kakti ne pidai hangno hangduru ngatrai kata kasa api namar haba unu kandidat kanun ko parti kalit pelong ya ka campaign kalit pelong ya ka neka public meeting ka kamram jong kitu kibrio lada kiba kersan ni kiba kersan kalong ban skap ya kan nia ya ke cutang ban skap ru ya ke cing pensai jong ka parti lane jong ki kandidat tenai ngong pi ka bang sosi menin ka jia ko ngata hado ba hawan na kaliang ka bos nong bor thau ban ya kren ba ki hak ba kudu ki saja tenai hap ka ba ar ka jia sa hapo umsning hakabang ngadon lang kat badang kren i Dr. Amprin syuhla kita ki kena haupra tengam tip ki babuat ne ki ba komno ngam tip syu tiadin ilak apil ilak kerpat yong sngau ba phi nakaliang ka parti jong phi pila de plong meeting menemasngi bat ngi klemwan ban pendik ban pentut ya phi ban ong mangi pat hakakot namangi burong ya ka wei pa ko wei parti ni purom ya ki yo wei pa wei kandidat haba ki pelong ya ke jalang tos ngap ngin ngap la dagim pediang ru kam lele tambah ngap pen i ya ka kor ke purom kila let no sai si pang ki wan biang te kalong ha kata kalti ha ka bakado ngong api hadu bandami kirang basno kadon ke jingtan ya kitua ke beliau ketaki penai te hakaba katu wan ki pulit ban ra no yaki bat nangta kila ya ka batangkam te phi ka bang mot panong kane kalong ka bam internet ka trend te man met ngadang yo jing tip susu ka jia kumju ang tai hapo jaya again aja ro mi ki kena ki basuan ban pertakat badang long jia pila phi ko ban pertato perta shanu se ka bam long meeting ka jaka ka bahe te wat keren ke yang tu haba hajaka ke ba kidang ngidang long ke public meeting kumong abi ya kane ngam ong tang ke parti jungi kanu long parti Ni hapan burom, haba kitangnya keren. Long nak kaju mta shubu haba jaka badang long jaseng. Pilek hala, pilek tim, pilek ho lan pi keren de kumne kumtai. Long kam dei ka akor jong iki kasi. Ti ka mangakwa ban ong ni kalong ba. Imat kini nak kalian ke parti. BPP kum bekilong desperate. Ngaptip ya ka balai ki kum bekilong desperate. Kum bako umsau, kum makalajan hier, lajan kut penban. Nama dang ka daw ka pelong ki ba imat hangnong nuru kin hala, kin keren, kin pendik, kin pentut. Imat yakin uki parti, lani yau nu kandidat ubalik ban pelong jalan. Imat ka jengut jong ki kalong ta. Dengan sekoman ong banga kerpat, ya kitu ginong kersian, jong upra, sengau bah, nai ya lek big kumni, kam internet, ke election kan kut khat kenai terik, ladep ka khat kenai terik, ngia mangi pramangi, ngia trei ya kata, rei sengau bah, ya burong. Kam judan kan wano ka huri hura ka po election jingi piong ka MLE piong ka MDC piong ka MP re balai ba menta ka ganti kapta mga election MP kami kini ki AKA ki ba nga komong OP kumuri urang ba ngam internet ba kanjia kumni te ka ba nga karpat kolong lada piong ya ka parti jong ine ka parti jong nu jong nuru nga karpat ya ki pat ba bakin sngau ba lada ki don lepa hakano no parti ru sengau bahan nai pentut lane nai lek iru ban pek ban skap ya kajing ya kan bas lane ya kata ka public meeting kejoki bah ban nai lek namar ba ni pila lek le se la syuku kum kwa ban pentut kai namar ba pila don lepa karai bangan sinsya bangan kersian ya kata ka parti lane kata ka parti tena ada ka bang kerpat kolong sengau bah namar ba ka an kan step in but ya kan ni nak leng parti ru ngin ai ya ka ya ke jingtho sha returning officer ban unsim kia ya kani namar ba ngam itana yo kapoi penban ke jingya sho ke jingya dat ke jingya huri ke jing hura tang da komenta kani ke election MP kaban solong hakakat kanai tari
Chief Electoral Officer UBDR Tiwari ulayatu manakadaw ka jingkyo jong kinong isimbata haga shalong Lok Sabha election katanat kala penlong iya kijing terai kam kibubun kum hak kijing penkut bat uhat iki musical show kum syabata ban kring iya kinong tapfun
ya kineu la thu bala le nadu ba kajing don ka percentage hasilong parliamentary seat kan ne ka barit ne duna ki be shimbenta ula ong ba kajing stang penpo ya ki EVM kan stang hakine kisngi nadu menta
we work out the turnout implementation plan keeping the low voting turnout polling stations, ACs and districts. So traditionally you see the Silang parliamentary constituency has slightly lesser voting percentage in compared to Tura. And we have traditionally less voting in compared to Legislative Assembly. So we have worked out a very integrated turnout implementation plan for polling stations wise, AC wise, district wise. And we found the community involvement is the key to overcome this challenge. So our sweep strategy has been planned to the grassroots level surrounding the polling stations. So for the community involvement to counter the youth apathy. Now football is the most popular game and lot of sweep activities has been planned through the football. So our CEO office and district election officers are coming up, reaching to the different football clubs, youths, and taking youth and democracy together through football. Moreover, the community announcement system is called Usongot or Duldok in the Khasi Hill, Duldoka in the Garo Hill. We are engaging these community practices, announcement, etc. So, and appeal to the local communities, darbars, and involving youth and different social organizations. So we are very sure and confident this voting percentage will increase in coming Lok Sabha elections. So all the sweep strategy up to the ground level we already has worked out. So music, football game, the community participation, and moreover like very larger scale as these elections are being taken as the green election and clean election. So for the cleanliness, as there is a very well-known community practice of the cleaning drive in the different area. So pre-poll cleaning drive also we are taking up in the all polling stations. So at a time, and post poll also, because the cleanliness message of state of Meghalaya should pass on through these elections also. And similarly, in each and every polling station, we are going to plant 2 saplings by the first male and first female voter. So all needful arrangements are also being made. So we are just very much focused and dedicated. We sensitize all our teams for reducing the use of plastic as much as possible, use reusable and multiple time usable carry bags, etc. So single use plastic are being maximum scale we are avoiding. Even so garbage collection, its disposal, and all other aspects related to the clean elections are also being taken up and being ensured. Commissioning of EVM as per schedule will start by after tomorrow, so it will be also completed very soon. And moreover, all the assured minimum facilities arranged at each and every polling station, and wherever it is any gap is there, so temporary arrangement will be ensured before the poll. So for the P2, polling parties will start from 17th, and in P-1 polling station it will go on the 18th, and all the needful arrangement for the polling parties, conveyance, all facilitation at the polling stations is already being arranged. The home voting is ongoing in all the districts. Whoever applied through Form 12D, whoever are 85 year plus, and the PWDs. So all preparation in all aspects are going well. Training is being conducted, and last round of training will also be held very soon. So all kind of preparation are.
U Presiden jongke NPP Meghalaya u belongru u Menteri Rangba Benrab u Presiden Tensong u loong ba kapisa shiklur tingka kabla kurup ha Arunachal Pradesh kamdei setia kapisa jong u Menteri Rangba u Konrad Ge Sangma.
Abai keren bat kinong tok Khubor ba Presiden Loong bau kwa banyatu ba kapisa ba kurup da kibru jong ka ECI kamde setia kapisa jong Menteri Rangba ka jela Konrad Ke Sangma u badai u National President ka NPP u Loong ba kali ka ba ka ECI kalabat kamde ru ka kali bayawan lang bat ka kenhun u Menteri Rangba ka jela bat kapisa ba duna ya kawe point R keluar dengka balara da kene ka kali kamde ru kapisa jong ka NPP.
See, I think officially from the party side, we have already given the statement very, very clearly, candidly. Number one, the vehicle whom the authority, election authority, detained was not at all part of the convoy of RCM. Number two, this particular vehicle, which was detected that they carried about not less than 1.25 crores of rupees, again does not belong to NPP, again does not belong to Konrad Sangma. These people, they went on their own because they do have construction work also in Arunachal. But of course, I'm not the one to explain about all this. Now the law is in place, and now not only that, the returning officer and then the deputy commissioner has already taken over all these cases. There was nothing wrong at all as of now. But let me, even me also, I don't want to say anything much, since this one is under the, under the control of the Election Commission. So let the Election Commission take due course of legal action, whatever. But I'm telling you, I came to know that they were released. These people were released on the basis of the verification made on the spot by the police and also by the officials of the election commission. So I think making this kind of allegation ultimately, yes, during election, they convert it into their, into their vote bank by seeing that Conrad Sama has looted Meghalaya and then he invested in Arunachal, which is totally wrong. And I would like to inform the citizens of the state, it never happened and it's not going to happen at all like that. And please understand, this is only because during election year you do this. And I don't know if so happened that again, if it is detected that somebody carrying money here in Shillong or in any part of Meghalaya, again that issue so will come out by saying that, oh, this one belongs to this, to this, to that. I think there is no ending at all. But my clarification is very clear, and I would like to tell you that this seizure made by the officials of the election commission does not at all belong to the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Conrad Sangma, and also being the president of our NPP.
Uba Preston Tensong hagas ni baar jong ka Taiew, uloong baga physical fitness lani ka jingbit jingbiang hagamet kapat, kalong ka ba kong santam, ha karukom thung trekam ha katanat pulit.
Uba Preston la kentai ya kejing keno jong UMLA kaliang persya na kaseng Voice of the People Party WPP ba Adelbert Nongrum ba ong ba kejing penmi ya kejing penpena like kam pulit ha Meghalaya kalong ka ba beai. Haba ya kren bagi nong thok Khubor uba Preston Tensong ula ong ba uba Nongrum uklam pule bnia ya ka office memorandum OM Hashwa ban syu rai kut ba kalong ka ba beai. Ula ong ba uba Nongrum la pule tang ya ka paragraf ka ba nengkong bat ula ino ya ka paragraf ka ba khadu ba pen isai kedar ba kate ka OM kam trekam na ka benta ki kato ka nekitnat sarkar kum ka home Police, Forest, Bat Environment, ERTS, Bat Kiwai. Ha ka arpasau tarik ukulalingkot ka kenhun menteri kal IG Monjur, Yakarta ka barit, Bat ka bahedu, jong ka jing tap kam, ha kisau talik tenan, kibakan tup ya ka Civil Defense, Bat Home Guards, Excise, Registration, Taxation, Bat Stamps, ERTS, Forest, Bat Environment, Bat Home, Police, jong ka sarkar jela. Nor kita usembut menteri ula krenru ya Kiwai kimat.
Kwa jong apat pensai kelong halur kon jong katu statement kaba uwe neki MLA noyalam jo ke PPP iba Adelbert Nongrum uai ka statement na pok ka kot Khubor kaba ong ba katu ka advertisement kaba nakaliang jong ka police department kabagi ong ka central recruitment board jong ka police uong kalong illegal namar baklem board kat kum kendon jongka office memorandum ngakwa bat percaya hamni ba kata ka statement ka ba AI iba Adelbert kadai ka ba iklem pule ba ya ki kentin len ki contents jong kanika office memorandum kabangi penmi nakaliang ke sarkar ha ka laiterik February hajar arpuar kaba lakren syai baya kerta jong kinong apply kam hapo ki tenat rekam jopa sarkar jela jongi lara ya ka syaka 32 plus 5 kabamut syaka 37 mo 32 plus 5 yang niki schedule 5 to tenrai iklem pule pada ya ka proviso ka second para ka ba om light no ki katu kan netli ki department ka ba kentup nganda pule yang ni ya ka home police ya ka excise registration taxation and stamps ya ki home guard and civil defense but kumjuru ka forest and environment balai ba ngi haka sarkar ka kabinet ngi rai ka ni kalong ba Hakine ki department ki don ki judge post ki bangi hap ban bishar ya ka physical fitness. Kamu hab ke keren ka physical fitness jom u la neka ki ba apply kamu kerta ka de ban long ka ba kham kana. Naman menta ki post ki ba phi hap ban lit mare. Nang ta na pla pass ya ka interview. Bo ba thung ya ka kam phi hap ban lit training. But ka training na ka ba ka training ka long hard training. Ka ba ki hap an par ki hap an jom ki hap an nang ta saban practice ka siat suloi ka ni ka tai. Phi nak ta daw ka pelong bangi na ka liang jom ka sorkar. Ha ka ba khadu. Nilarai kumni. Hak ngakren suat tik tang nam ta ka bedei bat ka jong ka polis. Hak bedei bat ka polis ka ba ngi amen. Ya kane ka manual ka bangi ong jong ka Central Recruitment Board jong ka polis ka kabinet ka approve ban amen yaki ya kerta. Wat la ngiladep Kentiw ya kerta bat apply kam henrei hak wedei bat ki polis ngi sim kumne ka benengkok hak wedei bat ki SI sejrong ngi sim ba kerta joki kalong arpau hadu arpenyau tang ba plus sansnem ke relaxation arpau hadu arpenyau yaki SI tang ba ngi plus sansnem ya ka relaxation jongka sidel trai to kabaar hakabedei bat kiniki ki bat kabaar bat kiniki constable ki bangi ong ki on arm branch ki arm branch ki battalion constable kiniki fireman ki driver fireman nangta kiniki MPRO kiniki constable ngibu yakarta kabak khatra minimum hadu arpuai plus sansnem kabamut kiyo hadu arpun rusnem yakini ngi ailat hadu arpun rusnem namar ba kumong olpi ka training ka ba bat ka kam yakiru ka ba ladingi ra mentash hakarta ka ba kam he kabamut wat makiru ka por kat poi ka ba tang kanong nustem kimla su ban tre kam na nak daw ngi wan ra ba la kum no arpun rusnem karta hapo apros dem kata hadin mengla sim ya relaxation nang takawai pat iki followers ki sim nadu kat prasnem hadu arpenyo plus sunstem kabamut again kalong hadu lai puar tekatu ka office memorandum ar hajar arko ar ya ki wei ki department yi ong bet ar ponyo lai puar plus sun rei yakin di department kum ke polis department kum mangla batai pi kalau be tik kat kum ka bangila bisar benia tik patik barkane kamde bangila khla tang mangi hang ne jela re yakane kalong ni simlu ya kiju ki manual jong ki we ki state hapo kar India jongi hakaba khadu naklian ka kamedet klasim yakane karai bat kla accept ban bu yakane ka age limit yakitoki kun samla ke apply kam
ka samla twinkly garret ka banamau senram klayo ya ka sernot jingyaro lani ka certificate of appreciation na ka India's Got Talent season 3 fight halo ka jingalit shimbenta jongka hakani ka reality show ka bahe tamha India par hakani ka program kalpoi hadu ka kerdan finalist
Abai kren bat kilat patai Khubor kalong ba ka thong jongka kadei ban shimbenta sa hakikam kwaya pat ki wei pat kirensan
tanggalan kwa hi traiban kacangka jua kalong ka nanti mengan stop na panam pa show kan shimbenta dadon ba kisukhat kapam e tu nanle nane khaja chinde ka chintang na kalong kwa mangan kamisim jua kwa pangan lishim no ya gitu ki audition jong standing kwaya e tu
Shua bangin penkon no in pensngau biang ipi sashisien ya kimat ki bakongsan. Klad uwe unong bela basat tombor hamaulai mauro. Kela ka trok ke dok ka hamau ble klat arngun mensau iwe. Lale bun ki kam ka tanat election ban kring ki nong tap vote ong u CEO. Kapisa ba kurup na aron chaw kam de jong u CM ong u president NPP. Yo khusnam ka samla twinkly na ka reality show. Pat ki wig Khubor. Badakatung ipenkot no ya kani ka thup Khubor jong kani ka Taiew. Nin saya sembiang buat pi, hak katai kawai pat katayo. Kublai shibun patiaso.